Hello, today I will talk about Project Management Professional PMP, the first chapters. What is PMP Book Guide? PMP Book Guide is the recognized standard for the project management professional. What is the standard? Standard is the formal document that describe established norm, method, process, and practice. How does this evolve? Then the knowledge contained in the standard evolved from the recognized good practice of the project management practitioners who contributed to the development of this standard. PMP Book Guide. It contains 12 chapters. Chapter 1 and 2 provide an introduction to key concepts in the project management field. Chapter 3 is the standard for the project management. It summarizes the process input and output that are considered as a good practice on most projects and most of the time. From chapter 4 to chapter 12 are the guide to the project management body of knowledge. They expand on the information in the standard by describing the input and output as well as tools and techniques used in managing projects. So the PM book will focus on scope, time, cost, human resources, communication, risk, procurement, quality, and integration. What's project? A project is a temporarily end-over undertaken to create a unique product, services, or result. A temporarily end-over with a definite beginning and end. So, a project will create a product, service, and result. Example of project: developing a new product or services, effecting a change in structure, staffing, or style of organization, developing or acquiring a new or modified information systems, constructing a building or infrastructure, implementing a new business process or procedure. Projects exist in organization, public sector organization, business organization, non-governmental organization. Why? Because organizations are open system. They have to respond to both internal and external change to meet their development agenda, to satisfy customer, to survive, to solve problem and grab opportunity. What is project management? Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tool, and technique to project activity in order to meet the project requirement. How is the project management accomplished? Project management is accomplished through appropriate application and integration of 42 logically group project management process, started from integration to stakeholders through uh, initiation, planning, executing, controlling, and closing. So the 42 project management process are logically grouped in 5 process group. The process group are initiation, planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling. Finally, closing. What does the project typically include? Identifying the requirement, addressing the various needs, concern, and expectation of the stakeholder as the project is planned and carried out through scope, quality, schedule, budget, resource, and risk. What is progressive elaboration? Progressive elaboration involves continuously improving and detailing a plan as more detailed and specific information with more accurate estimate become available. Progressive elaboration allows project management team to manage a greater level of detail as the project evolve. Dimension of project management process: social culture, leadership, problem solving, team work, negotiation, politics, customer expectation, technical scopes, WBS, which is the work breakdown structure, schedule, resource allocation, baseline budgets, status report. Portfolio contain program at higher and low level with a project at low level. Portfolio management. What is portfolio? A portfolio refers to collection of project or program and other work that grouped together to facilitate effective management of that work in order to meet the strategic business objective. For example, an infrastructure firm that has the strategic objective of maximizing return on the investment might put together a portfolio that includes a mix of projects in oil and gas, power, road, rail, and airport. So the sample portfolio as shown at the picture contains program A and B and project from 1 to 9. Program management. A program is defined as a group of related projects managed in coordinated way to obtain a benefit and control from managing them individually. An example of a program would be a new communication satellite system with a project for design the satellite and ground stations, construction of them, integration of the system, and launch the satellite. This table give you the definitions and of project, program, and full portfolio through scopes, change, planning, management, success, and monitoring. Project and strategic planning. Projects are often utilized as a means of achieving an organizational strategic plan. Projects are typically authorized as a result of one or more of the following strategic consideration: market demand, strategic opportunity, business need, customer request, technological advance, legal requirement. Project Management Office (PMO). PMO is an organizational body or entity assigned various responsibilities related to the centralized and coordinated management of those projects under its domain. Responsibility of PMO. The responsibility of PMO can range from providing project management support function to actually being responsible for the direct management of the project. The project supported or administrated by the PMO might not be related other than by being managed together. Project management and operation management. Operation are an organizational function performing an ongoing execution of activities that produce the same product or provide a repetitive services. Example: production operation, manufacturing operation, and accounting operation. Operations are permanent endeavor that produce repetitive output, while the projects are temporarily endeavor. So the projects are temporarily and operation are ongoing. Enterprise Environmental Factor (EEF). Enterprise environmental factor refer to both internal and external environment factors that surround or influence the project's success. EEF include but not limited to organizational culture, structure, and process, government or industry standards, infrastructure, existing human resources, personnel, administration. This is the end. Thank you.